Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program. And this week I am so excited to share with you all our Herb Baked Salmon recipe. This recipe combines flavorful lemony garlic greens with crispy earthy mushrooms, salmon baked to flaky tender perfection, and topped with a creamy shallot herb sauce. And it will be on your table in less than 30 minutes. So salmon is a really great protein choice. It is packed full of health-supporting omega-3 fatty acids. But when you pair salmon with leafy greens, you don't only create a tasty combination, but the fiber in the leafy greens actually boosts up the absorption of the omega-3s to help feed our brain and our gut, reduce inflammation in the body, and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Then when we add in some mushrooms and some fresh herbs, we're not only elevating the flavors and the textures of the dish, but we're also providing our body with a punch of immune-supporting, cancer-fighting, stress-relieving properties. So this recipe definitely checks the good for you box, but it also delivers big on ease of preparation, taste, texture, and sophistication. This dish is perfect to impress for any celebratory dinner, but it's also easy enough for any weeknight supper. So please make sure to check out this satisfying recipe under the Cooking with Ananda section. I promise it will not disappoint. So please enjoy.